guys, good afternoon. Kapita pa, ano si Travel Maker going to Palayon Island. So ayan ang pinagmamalaki naming isla rito sa Palapag, Northern Samar. The Golden White Sands of Palihon.
Wow, this is it.
Ayan.
Nakalabong.
So, shout out kay Travel Maker, ade oh. Okay. Golden Sands of Palihon Island. The tropical island of Palapag, Northern Samar. Tira.
Pusay! Tangan naman.
This is the paradise island of Palapag, Northern Samar. The beautiful golden sands of Palihon Island. So, there it goes. So, ayan o.
Hello, Troy!
Kaya may drone din. Okay guys, ang daming seashells dito pang decoration sa home decorations pwede. Ayan o, mga shells. Ayan. Oh guys, bukod sa ganda ng beach dito, ito ganda ng mga shells dito. Oh, pwede maglaro-laro rito. Ayan oh. So, ayan. So, ayan oh. Paligiran ng Palihon Island. So, ayan oh. Guys, oh, di ba oh, vivid, clear water of Palihon Island. So, ayan oh. Oh, diba? Napakalinaw, kristal. Oh, di ba? Wow. Diba? Paradise. So, ayan. Diba? So, I'm proud that we have Palihon Island here in Palapag, Northern Samar. So, ayan o. Ooh. Wow. So ayan yung shelter dito sa Palihon Island. Ayun. Ayan yung mainland Samar, mainland ng Palapag, less than kilometer away ang distansya rito, kulang-kulang ng 1 kilometro. So ayan, so rito kailangan mo ng bangkang di motor o bangkang di sagwan. Okay, so ayan the brief scenery of Palihon Island here in Palapag, Northern Samar. So, ayan. A tropical paradise of Northern Samar. The prime destination here in Palapag, Northern Samar, the Palihon Island. Guys, hit it up and subscribe. This is Waray TV. Thank you. Okay, so guys, that's all. Mauli na kami. So, keep it up and subscribe. This is Waray TV. Thank you. Palihon Island, Palapag, Northern Samar. Okay, we're going home. Thank you, guys.